alphabet. Super fast. A for Apple Watch, bling on my wrist. B for Bluetooth, connects on my devices. C for camera, capturing the day. D for drone, soaring high away. E for e-reader, stories untold. F for Fitbit, a story of gold. G for Google Home, answers all my whys. H for headphones beneath the skies. I for iPad, games at night. J for joystick, a gaming delight. K for keyboard, tapping so please. L for laptop, a digital treat. M for mouse, gliding smooth and slide. N for Netflix, where movies fly. O for Oculus, worlds I explore. P for phone, forevermore. Q for quadcopter, zooming with glee. R for robot, a friend for me. S for smartwatch, time on my hand. T for tablet, across the land. U for USB, charging with might. V for VR, a dazzling sight. W for Wi-Fi, connecting us all. X for Xbox, answering the call. I for YouTube, videos galore. C for Zoom, friends near and far. Accelerator, core speedy cars. Balloon floating among the stars. Carousel spinning round and round. Dinosaur, bones in the ground. Elephant, with a trunk so long. Firefly, twinkling all night long. Giraffe, with a neck so tall. Hamster, scurrying along the wall. Igloo, made of ice and snow. Jungle, where the monkeys go. Kangaroo, hopping high and bold. Lighthouse, guiding ships in the cold. Mountain, reaching for the sky. Nestling, snuggled up so high. Ocean, vast and deep and blue. Penguin, waddling, it's true. Krill, the porcupine, so sharp. Rainbow, a beautiful arc. Sunshine, warming every face. Tiger, with stripes in its place. Unicorn, a mythical beast. Violet, a purple feast. Watermelon, juicy and sweet. Xylophone, a musical treat. Yarn for knitting, soft and warm. Zebra, with stripes in a storm. Adventure, waiting to unfold. Beauty, in every sight and sound. Courage, to face every fear. Dreaming, big and ever so clear. Exploration, beyond the known. Friendship, a bond forever grown. Gratitude for all that we have. Honesty, a virtue we must save. Imagination, taking flight. Joy, a feeling pure and bright. Kindness, a gentle hand to lend. Love, that knows no end. Music fills the air with grace. Nature, a beautiful embrace. Opportunity knocking at the door. Peace, forevermore. Quest for knowledge far and wide. Respect for all with grace and pride. Smiles that brighten every day. Truth that guides us on our way. Understanding, a bridge we build. Valor, in every deed fulfilled. Wisdom, gained with every year. Excellence, a goal to hold dear. Youth, a time for joy and play. Zest for life, each and every day. So